All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is February 20th when I'm recording this after the market closed on Friday. And basically what I've been looking for was we were seeing breadth was starting to fall off and participation was waning. And we were starting to see some negative divergences like this, price up, Moxie indicator down, and then we had a couple inverse trampoline moves on the 15-minute time frame after Jerome Powell spoke this week. So yeah, that's kind of what we're expecting. I've been expecting for price to soften up and generally things to move down. One way to look at that, we took a nice trade on HUT. This is a Bitcoin miner, and it was just a very, very clean setup. It was all the way up here. I do think eventually it'll get down here, but it won't do it in one step. It'll probably do it in two. And so we took it right here as price started to fall off at the hourly 50, and a perfect rejection by the underside of the 15-minute 50 with the Moxie indicator below zero. If you kind of want an example of what that's going to look like, take a look at Mara, and you can see here that Mara, same thing, but it's already down to the daily 50, and you can see it did it right there. There was the little bounce before rolling over again. So yeah, kind of keep an eye out there. I do think that there needs to be a little bit more downside, but that doesn't mean there can't be a bounce first. So just be careful about that. We'll see what happens, and we'll go from there, and we'll see you at the next one. Thanks again.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.